One of the primary objectives of dairy and beef farmers across the globe is to convert feed into milk or beef as effectively as possible. Improving the overall digestibility of feed in the rumen allows dairy and beef cattle to extract more nutrients from their feeds and produce more milk or beef from every kilo of feed consumed. Hence the approach to feeding dairy cows: look after the rumen and the rumen will look after the cow. But unfortunately, in many cases, the feed and ration being presented to the cow actually works against the rumen. Many forage-based rations and TMRs, even those with a high proportion of coarse forage, actually work against the rumen. Inconsistent and over or under-processed TMRs compromise rumen function and the important processes of cutting, mixing of rumen contents and saliva production. Here we see an under-processed TMR with the fibrous material at the top of the rumen, while the more nutrient-rich materials such as soya, wheat, barley, etc. are sitting underneath in the rumen liquid. Throughput of material is slow, cows have problems digesting it, and nutrients can pass through the rumen without being fully utilised. With the rumen underperforming, the cow is underperforming. Over-processed TMRs results in more small particles as well as shorter fibres in the rumen. There is less cud formation and rumen contractions are slowing down. The rumen microbes go into overdrive, producing lots of acids, which very quickly leads to acidosis. If these acids are allowed build up too quickly due to poor physically structured diets or high loads of concentrates, the rumen wall can become damaged and it becomes less efficient at taking acids out of the rumen. Then acids build up and continue a cycle of damage that further ruins the rumen wall. The rumen microbes will suffer due to high acid load and feed digestibility will be impaired. Also, the cycle of damage to the rumen wall leads to poor cow health. The Keenan is the only machine that produces the patent-protected specific ration structure called Mech fibre. This results in improved overall ration digestibility within the rumen. The open structured Mech fibre mix allows the microbes to work to their optimum potential. Consistent nutrient supply ensures significantly improved rumen microbial growth. The microbes can quickly and thoroughly act on all of the feed nutrients to create improved conversion of feed into milk and meat. Mech fibre delivers the processes required for good rumen function, which are as follows. Number 1. Robust mixing and movement within the rumen. There is no selection when it comes to the Mech fibre ration, so the consistent physical ration presented to the cow on the outside results in a more consistent mix of feed in the rumen every day. The rumen is a fermentation vat, and to get the most out of it, the conditions in the rumen must be kept stable. The Mech fibre ration has the structure and texture to stimulate the rumen and keep the rumen microbes and the feed mixed. Number 2. Good rumination. The Mech fibre ration creates constant bouts of strong rumination. Good rumination with good rumen mixing means a healthier rumen with a reduced acid load. This allows the microbes in the rumen to flourish, to digest the ration more thoroughly, and to increase the conversion of feed into milk or into meat. Number 3. Controlling the passage of feed. We need to keep the feed long enough in the rumen to be digested properly. If passage is too fast, digestion is reduced. If passage is too slow, feed intake is reduced. Mech fibre rations achieve the balance between digestion and passage. Number 4. Control of acid load. Mech fibre rations are proven to reduce the periods of high acidity in the cow's rumen. This ensures a healthy rumen wall that can absorb efficiently the normal acids produced by the microbes into the bloodstream. The cow uses these natural acids as the energy source to maintain good health and produce the desired levels of milk and meat. To sum up, we have shown that providing a consistent Mech fibre ration every day produces a stable rumen environment. The associated improvement in ration digestibility brings increased feed conversion efficiency, higher margins, better animal health and reduced environmental emissions.